Hey y'all, these are from Kogan. We got them yesterday, so we're opening it now because why not? I can't show the side obviously, but you know it's from Kogan. Firstly,
oh, that's your phone.
We got a phone case for me. Wow.
Oh, look how clear it is.
Stop a bit. By the way,
Look at that.
apple.
Wow.
And yeah,
Can we open it?
in the back. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, they have this now. Oh, oh.
For dearness.
They rip it, the green thing from the back.
Oh.
Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look how hot that is. Wow. Now, how do I open this?
So it's like this.
Can I have my phone so I can try these?
Look.
What? Were you toasting my phone?
You throwing all this?
Yeah.
Keep this one.
Yeah.
Oh, the box. You don't need this as well.
Kogan warranty eh?
Yeah, that's all.
I'll take my phone case though.
You can't see it. Wait, you can't see it.
Okay.
Okay, let's try TikTok.
Oh yeah, because they have no headphone jack. You put it in
Wait, can you
where
hear
the
that?
charger hole is, and yeah, I can slightly hear that.
Yeah, it's really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can just feel it there, so you won't lose it like you did with the other one.
Yeah, guys, my friend pushed me onto the ground and she made me lose my other AirPod that I got on my birthday.
Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are here from TikTok, Instagram or my Facebook page, then hi. Do join the family, please do subscribe and all the details of my social media is below in the description box. Okay, my washing machine is on, that's why it's making sound. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you all what I bought from Kogan from here to there. Okay, so everything you see in this area I got from Kogan, and the last thing which I was waiting for came today, this one. So it's a coffee machine. I'm very excited to open all this and see and show you all. So yeah, let's begin with let's begin with what? Okay, so let's begin with this kettle. This is a stainless 1.7 liter stainless steel kettle. Okay, so this is Kogan brand. I think I bought in a set with the kettle and the toaster, so it wasn't expensive. So yeah, I wanted to buy one from Kmart, then I wanted a set with the toaster. And if you're following me, you should have seen last time I got from Target, and like the kettle light is dying. Like I don't know what to do with that, so I'm going to throw it. It's working, but like in case it stops. Okay, so this is silver because everything in my kitchen is silver, and I'm going to make a cleaning video maybe this week, and then you all will see how I set everything up. So yeah, this comes with the instruction, and this is a warranty. And what is this? This is just a kettle thingy, very nicely packed, and this is the kettle. So okay, it is like this. Okay, wire, and this kettle is black and silver. Okay, it's really nice. And this one is 1.7 liter, And this is 4 slice toaster in color black. And it's just a toaster, comes with the instruction, warranty, and same catalog, okay, Kogan catalog. And this is how it comes in the box. Okay, I take out the tray from somewhere. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like it. Okay, the next one is just a rice cooker, 10 cup. Okay, it's just a simple one. Okay, and this is again Kogan brand, I think, and it was only $9. And those ones I put no idea about the price, but it came in a set. Also, I will mention the price if I find, or else like if you want, you can check out on their website. They have quite a lot to choose from. So it comes with the instruction and warranty. And okay, the lid is a white one. Okay, this was the only color available with the white one, and the steamer thing. And this is the pot, and this is the rice cooker. It's 10 cup. It's quite big. Okay, I don't feel like opening this, but because I'm not going to use this, so this is how this looks. Okay, it's nice. So it comes with the spoon and also the measuring cup, and it's nice. Okay, it's quite big. I don't like the color white because everything else is black and silver, so this one is white, but anyway it's okay. I got this quite a lot in my house. Okay, now let's see what I got in here. Victoria coffee, aluminum compatible capsules. So this contains 6 packets and looks like this, and I hope it will fit in my coffee machine, and I'm going to make it on a Saturday's vlog. When I'll set the machine up, I'll try, okay, that time. So the next one is this, and what is this? I've got no idea. This is just a milk frother. It's like this. Okay, it's just like this. And the on button is here. Okay, this is just a capsule holder. Oh gosh, this is gray, gray and black. Okay, it comes very nicely packed. These things are like really expensive, like they are not cheap. So I bought this one, and I don't know, like I thought this will be good, but I think it's small. Okay, now I think it's small. So it looks like this. You can put your coffee machine here, and your, what is this side? This thing comes out where you can put all your capsules in here for easy access. Okay, this is the coffee machine. I know you all were waiting for this. Me too. I was waiting for this since very long to see, but this is DeLonghi, I think. This is how it looks. I hope you can see. Can you? Okay. And this smells good. Smells really nice. Okay, you hold it here and then you pull it out. Okay, like this. Gosh, Okay, let me pull it out. Okay, got it. This is the machine. How pretty it is. Like, I got the gray and black one. There was a white one available, but I wanted this color to match with my other machine because I'm gonna be putting it close to my other machine. And I'm not going to open this, okay, in this video. I'm going to open in my other video because it's very nicely packed, and I'm not going to set this up today. So do watch my upcoming vlog, which will be up after this video. I'm going to unbox and then I'm going to set and then show you all, okay? Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to watch my other upcoming video where I'm going to unbox the coffee machine, and I'm going to also show you all the chin-up bar, I think, in that video, how it looks, because I can't open it because my husband will do it and he's at work now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.